There you go. Can you hear me now? Did you hear me? Yes? Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn around so you can see everybody.
Is he not gonna leave that? Oh my god. So good.
He's waving.
Really big on my camera.
A little knock. Isn't it? No. There, Alex.
I'm really big on that screen and I don't like
Oh,
that.
man.
There it is. They're waving, guys. Look how long you're waving. They're glitching. Yeah, that's the best.
I think Ian's computer has a weird thing.
Yeah, he's kind of. Oh, yeah, his eyes are moving a little bit.
Anybody even interested in a free Whataburger Junior?
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, well then, I'm gonna give you this, an official seal of excellence. I'm gonna let you fill it out, and then you can show your parents, look, I got recognized for whatever, and you can make it up.
Really?
Yeah, and put it on your refrigerator. And then you tear this off and take it to Whataburger and get a free Whataburger.
Okay, that is the best.
Hey, I'll pay you $10 for the whole bag.
Wait, can I put chemistry? No, whatever.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
6 times.
You can get someone else to write it so it doesn't look like your hand.
I know, right? Can you do
Wait, so what do we do?
Your name and recognition of chemistry?
that? Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, it expires on Christmas Eve. We just pull up during Christmas Eve.
In recognition of-
Wow.
Actually, I think you deserve it.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Presented to Brendan Leeper, is that where I put my name?
Uh-huh. And this is 12/2/20.
Where'd you get this?
We had a teacher meeting and they had some extras.
Want
me to write it
This is like the best thing ever.
In recognition of
I'm just making chemistry.
having a smile. Stephanie,
No, because we're not going to be showing them this. You're just showing them the through what the junior. Speak for
And who's
yourself.
waiting to get in? Brianna.
Oh, poor online students. They don't get that.
Yeah. Y'all don't get one of my coupons unless you, I still have some tomorrow, and if I see you when you come, you can get one.
what's today?
Free Whataburger Junior.
Second.
But you have to use this by the 24th, Christmas Eve. Then it expires.
No problem. Oh my God, Mr. Stack
I wish it
Backwood.
was a double meat Junior. Whatever that.
That'd be good.
I wonder if I could buy like a pack of these.
Dude.
No, I put that.
Smell.
How about best one?
Can I put math?
Yeah, once this mask is on, it's the best smell.
In recognition of best one.
Can I be runner-up smile?
Yes. you can do that.
Yeah. You can tell your mom, that's why you got the Junior. Okay, so we're gonna continue. Most of y'all started on the quizzes yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, so that's what we're working on today.
I have a last question.
You have a lot of questions for it.
I have only one question.
And you guys, y'all have your quizzes, right? Have you finished them? Yes, no? Okay, good. So we're just working on that. And if you have questions, just unmute yourself and call me and I'll come over because I'll be able to hear you from the speaker on the projector. You see, I have y'all on the board up here. You see, this is Ian, that's me. Down here is Alex, and over here is
Wait, Ian,
Brianna.
Ian, can you raise your hand? I want to see what that looks like. Like the button? No, the button.
The button.
Oh, do you know how to use the button to raise your hand?
No,
Somewhere
I have no
down.
idea. Who was it that was doing it the other day? It was Brennan. Brennan was doing it the other day, and I had no idea how to use it.
Yeah, I
It was
forgot.
in the chat. It's in the chat.
Oh, go over to chat down at the bottom. And you can get a chat, like if
Maybe
you
it's at people.
can get this whole bar over here as a Zoom chat on the side of your screen. Oh, but I don't, yeah. So anyway,
No,
you
it's
could,
at people, I think.
okay, maybe at people, participants, you mean?
Yeah, participants.
Participants.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Participants.
So if you click on participants, you get. you
Wait, I
see?
think I just did it. Did I just do it?
Yeah.
Okay, I just raised my hand. Now I'm gonna lower my hand.
Good job. But see, I'm not gonna notice y'all doing that. So if you really want my attention, you're gonna have to just talk.
You know, it'd be awesome if it like
this.
said it.
If you, what do you mean?
He puts a thumbs up. Thumbs down.
Yeah, can you see everybody? Basically, yeah. Okay. Is it showing? Oh, there she is.
Haley.
Barely see Haley, but then if you,
Yeah, I don't have to be on camera.
okay,
You
we'll
think
just,
that's by look at me? I
Brendan
just
doesn't
see
seem to
myself.
mind, so we'll let it stay on, yeah.
I'm literally, I don't like how big my head looks. I'm like
Yeah.
literally just like front and center.
You thought you should be going down to Rockland.
No, I'm just gonna like stare at them.
That's creepy. Yeah, because the 1 through 29 would be due. Y'all need to turn those in. And you can let me know if you have any questions on any of them. Okay, so electron affinity is basically how much energy is released when it gains an electron. And those elements over there, let me put down the periodic table again. These are the chalcogens.
I have a question. Oh, wait.
Yeah, I'm answering her. So these are chalcogens, these are halogens. And these are going to release a lot more energy when they get an electron than these. Because these are going, when they get an electron, they become like the noble gases. And so that makes them very stable, so they get rid of a lot of the energy. Here, if they gain an electron, they're like these guys. It's just another deal. But if they gain 2 electrons, then they can be like the noble gases. And so the way that that's worded, significantly lower than those that are halogen negatives. So, and we know that the electron affinity, just like the electronegativity and the ionization energy, increases as you go across. And so I think they're not asking you to say, well, it's just, it increases as you go across. I think they're trying to say why would it increase as it goes across? And so you can say that the halogens are going to have a higher affinity because they're closer to the noble gases. Yeah.
I don't have a pen.
Hmm?
I don't have a pen.
Oh,
I put it there.
you're going to. It says, there's 2 of them. We're doing open book, open notes. And there's periodic tables on that one. On one of them, you have to label stuff. On the other one, I don't know.
Reference.
Okay. So I know what the electron configuration is.
That's -2. So that means it gained 2 more electrons.
The negative means it gains.
Because electrons are negative, right? So then the way they become negative is by gaining negative. And so it'll be just like the configuration for sulfur, but you're going to add 2 more electrons. It'll be like this, yeah. I'm going to take all those with you, and there's 3 of them. I'm still missing Alyssa. She's at.
She's at the.
Okay, I'm going to jump to another screen to take roll.
I didn't do that.
Let's see. It's not going back. What's happening? There we go. Oop. Sorry, some technical difficulties here. What the heck? It's not going to my. Okay. No, cancel. There we go. My help. And Karis is still absent. She's virtual. Ian is virtual. Alyssa is. And I'm here. Okay.
Is the atomic size the number on the top or the bottom?
It's the what? The atomic number is at the top. It's the whole number. There we go.
Mrs. Belcher,
Yes.
for number 4 on
Did I-
quiz 8,
Okay, what did it say?
it says describe the trends in atomic size in the periodic table and briefly describe 3 factors that influence atomic size. Would the factors be like electronegativity and like?
No.
Shoot,
Yeah, the
can I
fact.
tell her the page?
Yes.
It's 110.
Wait a minute. No.
It is because it literally says it just first line is
And it's talking about. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was gonna do it more in general. The trends they're talking about are like the nuclear shielding and
Okay.
that kind of thing, which are listed on page.
106.
No, number. This is number 3, right? No number.
This is 4.4. So 4.4.
But it's it's
Chapter
9.
Chapter 4, and then it says 4.4.
Oh, but you were looking at, okay, this is a different one. This is
Oh.
trends in atomic size.
Yeah, no, that's a different page. My bad.
Yeah. Okay, so number 4 on quiz 8. Yeah, it's when they're talking about atomic size. Can I look at that? Yeah, and the trends are discussed on page 106. So first of all, to describe the trend, you'd have to say what happens as you go across the periodic table and what happens as you go down. And then it says, briefly describe each of the factors influencing. Those are the 3 factors on page 106.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you three already turn in their question?
Yes.
You're finishing yours up?
I think I finished these. Where do I put it?
Okay.
What do I do now?
Have fun.
Actually, you can start working on the exercises, starting with a 30 through 43, because that's what we're doing tomorrow. And that'll keep it from homework possibly. We'll continue on. Yeah, and there are review questions from previous chapters. So let me mention that to y'all too. If you finish the quizzes and you want to have something to do, you can continue the exercises. Up through 29 was due today, and then 30 through 43 is going to be due on Monday. We're going to have tomorrow and Friday to work on them. And then Tuesday when we come back, are y'all all listening? Next Tuesday when we come back, we're going to have a review sheet to do. And then next Wednesday is the test. And it's already on the test calendar.
Review over everything.
Everything in chapter 4. And there probably will be some questions from previous chapters, just like, that's why we're doing these review questions, and review exercises. And I did put those assignments on Google Classroom, labeled by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. So using the E equals HV lambda, remember that equation? You have it on your formula sheet? You're good to have it. You need to get another one.
Yeah.
I might have an extra. Words and stuff, or you have to add stuff like that.
Yeah.
And this one has this little thing, the units. On it. You have that. Okay, so so you have that equation. So write that. I don't think that equation's on here, so you may want to put it. It does have H and V. Then they were talking about the largest electron transition in the line theory. Okay, so here's the line in theory, right? And that longest line is the biggest transition. It's like from n equals 6, an electron jumps from n equals 6 down to n equals 1. And it gives off 94, the frequency or the wavelength is 94 nanometers. So you need to convert that to meters and then plug it into your equation. They mentioned you. Well, not really, they say metals and metals. Oh, yeah. That's the basically heat switch. Y'all guys doing okay online? Yeah. Let me know if you have questions.
I've done the rest of it.
What, you just put there, like, at the top of the column, where the line from, those were charge that you made. And so, the one who's really like CA, who's like a calculus in the second grade, they do the plus two charge. So the plus three, they have magnesium plus two, yeah, and plus two. Potassium is just a plus, which means plus one. Yeah.
There's the rest of it.
I'm not know the rest of the table.
Sorry. Ian.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey.
Hey.
Where's Alex?
That was Brennan, right?
Yeah, of course it
Oh,
was.
where is Alex? I can't find Alex.
Oh, there she is. There she is.
Oh, there she is. Some walk.
Hi, Alex. She can't speak.
She's on mute.
Alex, they want you to talk.
Okay. Brendan wants
Yeah,
to
never
talk.
mind, don't talk.
Shut up.
Okay, never mind. Don't
That
talk.
was so mean. That mean to everybody.
Well,
Oh, hey, Bree.
you're not that mean to me.
You talk?
Are you gonna make fun of me?
Never mind.
Stop.
It's Ian's birthday today.
No, it's not. It was yesterday.
Bruh, that was yesterday.
Is it someone's birthday today?
No.
Kayla's birthday.
Here.
It's a boring Wednesday.
Right, it is Kayla's birthday. I only know that because it's the day after my birthday.
Oh yeah, it is Kayla's birthday. Jesse, I'm doing something. Bree, did you see what I posted?
Yes.
Did she get mad at you?
Yeah. I'm gonna add Josh.
Wait, is Mrs. Belcher not in the room right now?
No.
That's why we're talking.
Oh.
We're just catching up.
Hey, guess what? I
What?
haven't finished any of my work yet.
He's still on his exercise.
Don't worry. Ian, I finished like 1 second ago. You're not alone.
I'm literally on number 24.
Nice job, Ian. Y'all like doing it at home or what?
No, I
I'm
hate
at
it.
school. I'm dying.
I want to go back to school.
Okay, then
It
come.
is-
The only good thing
Yeah.
about probably going at home is missing chapel because that's
Oh yeah, we have breaks because I don't have elective right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, PE.
We missed
I have
your-
ceramics.
Were you mad, Alex?
What? Yesterday?
Yeah, that you missed the game.
Yeah, I was upset, but what can you do?
Bro, theater on Zoom yesterday was so chaotic because all I could hear was Brian and Eddie arguing back and forth with each other.
I believe it.
I heard
Ah.
people laughing from in here.
He was just
What were
eating
they-
his Whataburger.
Me and Elizabeth took down all the artwork.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Good
chapel
job.
and grammar school.
Yeah, I didn't have to do art. It was amazing.
Wait, have y'all been in the new high school?
No, not yet. We're going on Friday.
Me and Bree have been in it for journalism.
What?
I haven't been in it.
There is a coffee shop.
Are you gonna change your painting?
Don't be
You
kidding.
should do it at Whataburger. That'd be fun. Is Belcher finished?
Maybe like an hour. Wait, 45 minutes. 40 minutes.
Right?
I finished. What?
30 minutes. 35.
Leftover?
I can't do that.
We have 35 more minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
I'm impressed. No. Maybe if you like work a 30 minutes. Maybe you'll get that.
Okay. What page is it?
Well, the back of chapter 4. You know,
30 to 43.
so you want to try the next? Did you do this? No.
I can't wait to eat this Whataburger.
Imagine giving these to Mr. Speck back. Be so happy.
Look open notes. See, this one is 8. And you do this on the back, it has to get on the back.
It's almost Christmas.
Dude.
We have 23 days.
Yep.
Getting my Christmas tree today.
Mrs. Belcher,
Yes.
the chief chemical property that differentiates the metals from the non-metals, is that, I don't know what that is.
Okay, it's on page, I think, 104. And in the, you see section 4.2,
Mm-hmm.
and you go down to the middle of the second paragraph, it says chemically, the metals are known for ionizing by losing electrons to form positive ions. That's the main,
That's
factor there.
How'd you do number 30?
This is function of this,
You gotta use that equation.
Wavelength one?
Yeah,
Lambda?
E equals HV over lambda.
Okay.
And then you go over to that page. You see the line series at the top? This is the big one is this one. 94 nanometers. So that's what you need for wavelength. I don't even know where it's from.
Okay.
Oh, so remember up there, the red sign says yes, my ions are bigger, so non-metals ions are bigger than the metals. The metal ions are smaller. Like you do chlorine and chlorine ion, the ion would be bigger because it gains an electron to be like argon, and so that makes it bigger. So Cl minus is going to be bigger than Cl neutral.
What's E to the capital or E capital E?
Oh, that's an electron volt.
Oh.
Ah, okay, and so, once you put it in the toilet? Yeah, okay, so when you get an answer here, well, when you put that into there and put in H and B, you'll get an answer, it'll be in joules. Then you gotta look over here and you convert joules, calories, not calories, no.
Is our velocity speed of light?
Yes.
In our,
H is, Planck's constant right here. H, you like? And you probably have to write it down. Okay, right here. There's the joules. So you may want to write that one here too. You'll see it on number 30. Once you get your answer, that's joules, so you got to convert it to electron volts.
Any questions, Ian? You look kind of dazed. You still working?
Yeah, I have my book right here.
Yeah,
I'll
okay,
read the book here.
alrighty. No, it's not on here though. It's just conversion. So you're gonna go from atom, well, you're gonna start with grams and convert grams to moles. Yeah, and then you're gonna convert moles to molecules. Yeah, and then molecules to atoms. So in this case, every time we, yeah, CO2. And so like, you're gonna have grams of CO2, grams of CO2, moles of CO2, moles of CO2, molecules of CO2. And then you have molecules of CO2, and in one molecule of CO2, you have one atom of carbon. So you put one by the moles, right? Nope. In one molecule of CO2 and one atom, just one atom. You're looking for a number of atoms, not grams. So you put the molar mass there, but you put the molar mass with that number over here.
Okay. Yes, you put the grams of.
That's whenever you have G, that's where you put the molar mass from the periodic table.
So then what do you put here?
Listen to this one. So grams to 1 mole, and then 1 mole, so 1 mole there. How many molecules are there?
here somewhere. And they have a molecule. Yeah, a molecule. Okay, there's in one molecule, you have one atom. Like if you just have a molecule of CO2, one atom in there is, right, because you have C and two O's,
Yeah.
right? So in one molecule, you have one atom of carbon. On one molecule of CO2, you have one atom C. Which 1/1 is not going to really change any numbers. It's just going to list it up to that. What did I say here? Oh, turn that off.
Belcher. Mrs. Belcher.
Did you let them go?
Hmm?
You let them go?
No, I did not. They're still here. Hmm. I think it.
What's the block?
It's what?
There's group period and then the block.
It's like, this is the S block, and this is the D block, and that's the P block. So Ian, I noticed you turned in your quizzes, right?
My quizzes?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I
Ian?
heard you, but
Oh, I
didn't-
can't hear
didn't-
you. I know why. Hang on. I took you off of the intercom. Hang on. I'm just gonna turn back on, I guess.
Can
I
you
don't
hear
know
me?
what's happened to you're not muted. I'm not muted. I'm not. Okay, so say something, Ian.
I can hear you. Yeah, I can.
No,
I
I
can
still
hear
can't
you.
hear it. Hang on
You
a second.
you
I'll
can't
get
hear
this
me?
up there. I guess when it's
Hitting the chat.
okay. Yeah, I can tell you. I can hear y'all now. Okay.
Oh
I
wait,
don't
now
know.
you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay, so Ian, I
Alright.
noticed you uploaded the quizzes to Google Classroom. Does that mean you're finished with them?
I did not
You
turn
did
in
not
my
do that?
quizzes.
Huh.
No, I turned in my exercises. Well, I didn't turn in the exercises. I marked it as done. But
Submit. Okay, yeah.
I'm going to give you the actual work.
Yeah.
Uh,
When you get back to school.
yeah, someday whenever I get back to school. I
Okay,
don't
so
know
that's
when.
fine. Well, if any of y'all do get done with your quizzes before, but we got another 20 minutes, then you can work on the next set of exercises. I don't know if y'all heard me explain that to them, because tomorrow we're going to start the exercises 30 through 43, which are review questions. And so if you get done with the quizzes, you can be working on those 31
Yeah,
through 40.
I'm also doing my quizzes on paper just because I think it's easier. So I'll
Okay,
turn in
that's
my
good.
review whenever I get back as well.
That's good. That'll work. Sounds good. I'm gonna hang on just a second. I'm just gonna put that up there and put that down there. Yeah.
And also,
What, 5 more minutes?
5 more minutes, guys, then we can have fun. Yay! Want to play darts or go outside? I don't know. We'll pick one now. You want to play darts again today?
How do you do the pencil?
Run my calculation, 1 plus 1.
How do you
Just remember it's a 2SP.
Is
Oh, which is after. So electrons are linear, right? So that's what it, adding the electrons. That's what you do. So you do it normally and then you add them.
So I'm gonna do the configuration for the
Yeah.
ions. Yeah. And if it's a plus something, then you have to remove that many electrons.
Mrs. Belcher?
Hang on just a second. Yeah, who's calling me?
Alex.
Okay, what's up?
I need help with quiz 9, number 4, writing the electron configuration.
Is that one for the ion?
Yes. Number 9. Yeah, okay, so it's gonna start off being the same thing you would do for just sulfur, neutral sulfur. But because it has a -2 charge, that means it's gained 2 more electrons. And so you have to add 2 more electrons to the electron configuration. In other words, it's going to be like argon, basically, because it's going to be like the noble gas next to it.
Okay.
I'm sorry? The boxes, yeah, it's true for the boxes as well.
Oh, I can do that.
How would I write?
Did it tell you?
It just says electron configuration.
Yeah, so you don't need to do the boxes. That's when they want the orbital diagram.
Yeah, well, Number 31. Then you see the laser light.
Okay, so they give you the energy. Go back to the image. I know they give you frequency wavelength. Oh, no, go back to the image. Read. Here, they have manometers of the wavelength. They don't tell you what the energies are. So what you have to do, okay, so you have to use this for E and use the same equation, E equals HV over lambda, but switch the switch the lambda and the E. So lambda equals HV over E. And put that E in there,
And then same velocity.
in the same age. Then you'll find you'll find the meters, but then when you convert it to nanometers, you'll check and see, is it, like if it's higher than 750, it's gonna be in the infrared.
Okay.
If it's lower than 380, it'll be in the ultraviolet.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll turn to
Yeah. Oh, that's fine. Y'all have been working really hard. The few of you that are finished with your quizzes, if you want to go play volleyball or something outside, you can do that. You can just stay here and work on your quiz. Okay, so I'm gonna go outside and supervise these guys at the Gaga Ball. And so if y'all are done with your quiz, you can hang up or whatever. Any questions? Okay, you can tell Ian when he gets back because I just see his chair. Okay. Unless you don't want to go outside.
Can you play darts?
Oh, in here instead? Yeah, all right. One of the blues and the red, you have 4 of each color. Probably at some point I had 5 of each color. But these chips are great. Just get 5 each, or 4 each, whatever. 5 each.
remember you have to go behind it.
Okay, I'm really bad at darts. Can you split? Or
Whatever comes. I'm really bad at this.
Ooh, good.
Yeah, you can score. You know, whiteboard.
I did pretty well last time. Not this time, though.
Pride goes before fall.
Yeah. No.
I'm giving them some free time after they finish their quiz. And can you see, yeah, they're playing darts.
Oh my gosh.
Remember, gravity pulls things down. They gotta kind of aim up.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, you got it.
What is that? That's
14. Look.
Dang. I'm throwing it now. Same here.
I on, guys, Brendan won. Oh, wait, we still got one more.
Yeah. It didn't win anyway, there's literally no way. Right now, it's just Emily.
Come on.
Yeah, that's good.
No, I need a little more arc and I'll go in.
I felt really, really hard, so I didn't have time to fall that much. When I felt it really, really hard, my aim was really like, oh.
I have one of these in my room.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
I just don't like them. Darn.
Do you use it much in your room?
No.
It's a pity, man.
Yep, there's a plus. Oh, that goes with the lead.
So what's the score if you get the bullseye?
I think it's like 50 for the green and then 100 for the red.
Oh, 25.
Oh, man.
Try to.
No, it's one of the highest score on the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Emily, harder than you would have had it.
Yeah, that's true.
Roll it like you mean it. Let's see you, Liz.
You're making me nervous.
Dang, Alex is the host. Oh no, now
Yeah,
Jess is back.
And it gained an electron and became negative
I still won.
and became bigger.
Elizabeth was right on you.
And so the neutral atom, the neutral chlorine is gonna be smaller than the Cl minus. But then if you have metals
Come on, Emily.
that have a positive sign, they lose electrons, so
I
the
get really
the ions become smaller than the neutral atoms.
Okay.
I think that just kind of throw a line out for a second.
That's weird, it's showing all this. Do I want to stop?
Emily, let's go.
Oh my gosh. You're literally.
Okay, yeah, I don't know what happened there.
This is really fine. I don't know how you're doing this so well. Here's what I'm doing.
You just gotta see it.
You got a
It's not your whole arm, it's actually.
Really? I see people where they'll kind of walk up to it and do like that, when they're walking. And it gives it a little momentum.
That was good, just a little stronger.
I get the tag. I'm just trying to make it on the board.
Oh, too distracting for you.
No.
Oh my god. Brenda, go first, you get it.
So if you don't finish this, you've got about 5 minutes. If you don't finish, you can take it home.
Yeah. Ah, you're so close.
I'm getting closer.
Somebody hit this target.
I go all overboard that time. That means the average is perfect.
Oh, that's true. What the heck?
Yeah! What is it?
11.
Oh.
Not freshly done.
Stop
Laughing at me. I'm hitting the board.
Happy with you.
That's double.
I'm agreeing on the green.
So double? So 22?
Is the first ring double and the closer ring triple?
I didn't think that they're all double. I mean, I think that
I bet it's triple.
green and red were supposed to be different. But I remember that, so we're just gonna work on it. No, we're making our own numbers.
Yes!
Make your own roll.
Stop. That's 4. 13. Wait, really? Okay. I trust you. Oh, wait, I
Come on, Elizabeth.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Are you trying to murder my
Yeah, I
kid?
know. Break it up.
Hey, Emily, you have a chance, Emily. Emily, if you hit the board.
Shush, don't listen to what he said.
Alexa,
What are you talking about? I'm paying for it. You're right. You got this, Emily. Don't listen to this. Emily.
Yes!
He yelled, and I'm like, no, I have one more. Consistency.
Yeah, that's called precision. They're all in the same place, precision.
No!
Accuracy means the bullseye.
Emily.
7.
Dang it. Wait. Number 2, 11.
Okay.
More looking.
41. 30.
Did you win?
No, really not. You had like 11 really nice. Okay, I was just gonna come here during lunch and start practicing.
Who's it in the middle? Have you in the middle yet?
No, you put it in there.
I had the people actually just the middle. Already in the middle.
That one,
I have 2 years.
same here. They usually have 3, so in the middle. 2.5.
But I don't know if I have a place in the new building, but
We will make it fun.
yes, good down enough. That's good, man.
Yeah. Hey, she hit it.
I didn't hit it. We're not eating this guy.
Elizabeth, you're ahead. Like 7. Oh my goodness.
2 minutes.
Nice.
She's been
Nice.
speed running and I freaked out.
Go, Elizabeth, go.
Oh, it's my turn. I made it stick too. That's power. That's power. Thanks. I'm strong. Fine again.
That's good.
Outside.
All right, one more, hurry. How many give you grandma?
I'm not even
We all do triple.
No, wait.
Wow, here, you didn't do his lab school and final on it. Sorry.
See, I'm strong. I can hit it into the wall. Alright. Throw all 4 at once. You can't all be straight from the Okay, hurry up.
Gosh.
Alright, hurry. Just gonna throw it. Are you ready? No.
Let's get a better way
Oh, okay. Are you ready? No further, Ian's so alarmed. Yeah, no, sorry. Okay, miss.
Oh, good. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You need to wait until somebody is behind you. Oh, no, wait, right.
Okay, one more time.
Brian, what kind of pants are those?
Oh, stop that.
Hi, Brian.
Alrighty, guys.
Oh, she can hear you.
Okay, they're done. It's time to go. Put the darts up.
I'm actually wearing school pants.
Oh,